In the silent depths of the ocean lives a creature no bigger than your finger that can fire a weapon hotter than the surface of the sun. Meet the pistol shrimp. At first glance, it looks harmless, tiny, colorful, almost cute. But look closer. One claw is normal. The other is a biological cannon. This claw doesn't pinch, it doesn't cut, it doesn't stab, it snaps. When the shrimp closes its claw at incredible speed, it shoots out a jet of water, moving at nearly 100 kilometers per hour. But here's the insane part. That jet creates a bubble, and when that bubble collapses, it releases a shockwave strong enough to stun or kill its prey instantly. For a fraction of a second, the collapsing bubble reaches temperatures of about 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. That's almost as hot as the surface of the sun. And it did that, with a snap. The snap is so loud, it can reach over 200 decibels underwater. That's louder than a gunshot. In fact, entire colonies of pistol shrimp can interfere with submarine sonar systems. But the pistol shrimp isn't just a hunter, it's also a partner. Some species live with goby fish. The shrimp digs and maintains the burrow. The goby stands guard. A perfect underwater alliance. Scientists study pistol shrimp to understand cavitation, the same force that can damage ship propellers. Nature engineered this weapon, long before humans ever imagined it. Here's the beautiful irony. This creature lives in the cool, quiet sea. Dark, calm, peaceful. But for a split second, it creates temperatures nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. The sea is cold. The sun is fire. And somehow, this tiny shrimp brings both together. A star born underwater. So next time you think size equals power, remember, in the ocean, one of the deadliest weapons fits in the palm of your hand. The pistol shrimp. Tiny body. Sonic weapon.